Hello everyone. So let's go together through this WidgetSmith app. It's super popular right now. So how to add widgets via this app. So there you have it. So this is the app. Then you can just add all the different widgets here. Like for example, this widget. This is a default widget. You can add a timed widget, uh, something like that. Then you can just add another widget, and then of course you select basically all the widgets you want to have here. So like can photos, battery, calendar, reminders, weather, health, activity. And the feature of this app is that you can add it, like customize your style, uh, like to the great extent, because in like if you're just using standard iOS widgets, you can't really change a lot of design. But here you can do that, and then just tap save. So yeah, okay, let's just add something else. So we had like uh, that, and then just tap battery. And then the idea is that in each section you have small widgets, medium widgets, and large widgets. So you add all the widgets you want to have in each section. So that's it. And then what you do, you just add widgets by tapping plus icon, search WidgetSmith, and then so remember we just added like small widgets. So then you select small, or depend if you're just added medium, select medium, or large, tap small, add widget, and there you have it, and something like that. And then your WidgetSmith widget will be added. So that's about that. Hope it was helpful, guys. Yeah, I'm still exploring this app, trying to figure out exactly how it works, but at least I think that's how you can do it. Please leave additional comments below and visit Mr. Hack.io for additional tips.